Yo, what's going on guys? Mr. Upbeat Revision here for you. Today what we're going to be looking at is our highest common factors of two numbers. Now there's a couple ways you can do this. You can either write your numbers out, okay, and then find all the multiples for that number. So you could do 1 and 60, 2 and 30, 3 and 20, 4, 15, 5 and 12, 6 and 10, and then you do all the same for 114. The issue with that though is that it can take so long and it's just not very efficient. We want to find the most efficient way possible to work out our answers to make life easier for ourselves. So the way that I like to do it is I like to use our prime factor trees, okay? So the way that I'm going to do this is I'm going to write 60 and I'm going to find my prime factors. So I'm going to divide this by 2, gives me 30. I can split it into 3 and then 10. And then 10 I can do 2 and 5, and then that gives me all my prime numbers, so I don't need to do any more with that one. Then what I do is do the exact same process for 114. So I split 114, I'm going to divide it by 2, which gives me 57. I know 57 is in the 3 times tables because I know that 3 times 2 is 6, 3 times 20 is 60, and it's just 3 off, one lot of 3. So 3 times 19 gives me 57. So what I then do is collect like terms. So I've got a 2, a 2, a 3, and a 3. I haven't got another 2, 5, or 19. So then all I do with that is I multiply those two together, and it gives me 6. So my highest common factor of 60 and 114 is 6. And I just find that that's a lot quicker and a lot easier for you guys to work out. Okay, so looking at the next question, let me just get rid of that. Okay, so find the highest common factor of 84 and 120. So what we're going to do again is 84. I'm going to split that into 2 and 42. To split it again into 2 and 21. And then I've got 3 and 7. What a tune this is, by the way. Loving this one. So then I'm going to do the exact same for 120. So I'm going to split it into 12 and 10. 10 I can do as 2 and 5. 12 I can split into 4 and 3. And then for the 4, 2 and 2. So then again, I'm going to collect my like terms. So I have got a 2, a 2, another 2, another 2, and I've got a 3 and also another 3. Okay, I don't have another 2, I don't have a 7, and I don't have a 5. So again, we're going to multiply these together. So I've got 2 times 2 times 3. 2 times 2 gives me 4. Times 3 gives me 12, and that is my highest common factor of 84 and 120. Again, it's a lot quicker, guys, to use our prime factor trees. If you want to write out all the multiples, if you find that easier, that's absolutely fine. This is just a little bit more efficient of your time, okay? So I'll give you a few seconds to pause the video, and I want you to find the highest common factor of 72 and also 90. Okay, so what we're going to do, write our numbers out. So I've got 72 and 90. I can do 8 times 9, 72. I can split 9 into 3 and 3. They are prime, so I don't need to divide them anymore. 8, I got 4 and 2. Then 4, I've got 4, I've got 2 and also another 2. Okay, then I'm going to do the same with 90. I'm going to split those into 9 and 10. 9 can be done as 3 and 3. 10 I can split off into 2 and 5. And then again, I'm going to collect my like terms. So I've got 1, 2 there. I've got a 2 there. I've got a 3. I've got a 3. I've got a 3, and I've got another 3. I haven't got a 5, and I haven't got any more 2s, so I'm going to leave them as they are. And then times them all together. So 2 times 3 times 3. 2 times 3 equals 6. Times another 3 gives me 18. So that is my highest common factor for 72 and 90. Cheers guys, I hope that one makes sense to you. We're going to be doing some more for the prime factors, so don't worry about it, okay? Catch you in a bit guys, and I'll see you in the next one.